Welcome to Sweet Trails. In this video, we're taking you on a virtual tour of Gimmelwald, Switzerland, showcasing the top 5 must-see attractions and activities. Let's dive into the beauty and charm of this picturesque Swiss village. Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description. Number 1. Enter the enchanting world of St. Gilgen with our St. Gilgen Romantic Paradise Walking Tour. It is a romantic walking tour designed to transform you into the hero of your own fairy tale. Here, love takes center stage as you journey through picturesque streets framed by the timeless beauty of this alpine gem. Your romantic odyssey begins at the Mozart statue, where lovebirds unite to the harmonious melodies of St. Gilgen's musical heritage. With its sacred charm, the parish church of St. Egidius stands as a beacon of devotion on your path. Step inside the intimate Mozarteum, where the love story of Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart's mother unfolds. The sea promenade offers a breathtaking backdrop for your love, while the fountain in Lake Wolfgang glistens with the promise of eternity. Romance fills the air with passion, underscoring your love story. St. Gilgen Romantic Paradise Walking Tour is where your romance becomes the stuff of legends, and you, the hero of an unforgettable tale. Number 2. Embark on a magical Christmas walking tour in St. Gilgen and let yourself be swept away by the festive charm of this picturesque village. Wander through the twinkling lights of Mozartplatz, feel the warmth of glowing Advent candles, and marvel at the architectural beauty of St. Egidius Parish Church, all dressed up for the holiday season. Stroll along the serene sea promenade, where the crisp winter air and stunning lake views will leave you breathless. This tour is your gateway to experiencing the heartwarming traditions and enchanting sights of St. Gilgen at Christmas. Don't just visit. Immerse yourself in a winter wonderland where every step tells a story of Yuletide joy. Number 3. Private customized sightseeing tour by car is a great way to experience stunning Swiss countryside at your pace. Pass by quaint villages, rolling hills, and stunning mountain ranges. Along the way, you can stop in small towns for photo stops. Point 1. Explore the beautiful town Interlaken. Uniquely nestled between Lake Brienz and Lake Thun, you can take boat ride at Lake Thun and visit Hohemet Park to take in breathtaking views of the Alps. Point 2. Stroll through narrow cobblestone streets of Grindelwald, visit museums and explore the country's oldest churches, beautiful castle, and centuries-old buildings with incredible views of the surrounding mountains and lush valleys. Visit the impressive Stabbach and Trummelbach waterfalls. Point 3. Visit the scenic Lauterbrunnen Valley with dramatic waterfalls, lush meadows, and scenic lakes. Number 4. Unveil the hidden gems of St. Gilgen with our St. Gilgen's Hidden Treasures walking tour. As you step into the heart of this alpine paradise, you become the hero of your adventure. Immerse yourself in the serenity of Lake Wolfgang, where nature's beauty embraces you. Explore the historic town center, where the past comes to life, and the Mozart statue serenades you with tales of musical heritage. The parish church of St. Egidius reveals its architectural grace and rich history. At Mozarteum Street Gilgen, you'll journey back in time, uncovering the town's affectionate legacy. You'll discover St. Gilgen's cultural treasures as you visit the Mozart Mother's Fountain and Sea Promenade. With every step, you're the hero of your own story, creating memories that last a lifetime. St. Gilgen's Hidden Treasures invites you to embark on a journey of exploration and wonder, where the hidden becomes found, and every moment feels like a triumph. Join us, and let your adventure begin. Number 5. We chose the most scenic and fastest route for your transfer to Interlaken, Grindelwald. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.